What's in Mommy's Green Juice by Jennifer Weinberg. I watch my mommy make a green paste. What are the ingredients? I need a taste. Only green fruits and vegetables are used. What does mommy put in her juice? I always thought apples were red. Think again, there are green ones and mama only uses 10. The next vegetable's long and thin. Mommy says celery and puts it in. What is that? Is that leaf kale? Mom adds it to the pail. Is that a cucumber she's adding to the bunch? I wish I could have what mommy's having for lunch. Wait a minute, that fruit is not green. It's a lemon and it's yellow, it seems. Last but not least is a root of some sort. She calls this root ginger and it is quite tart. I can't wait to share green juice with my mom. I cannot wait to hold it in my palm. My mom is healthy, she loves her green juice. It makes her happy and gives her a boost. Green juice gives her the energy to keep up with me. It's fun to watch her, I'm happy to see. Tomorrow my mommy will make it again. In a few years she told me I can. She's all finished with her glass. It is now time for her workout class.